Here it is, September 21st, and time to wrap up the harvesting of the Acema. And this is a trial and error job here. Here are the tobacco leaves that have been there. This is day 11 of them drying. I've done them hanging in this fashion, in which they brown in a slower process, but they stay very moist. I've tried a different process where I just lay them down flat, and they dry quicker. They turn brown in about 8 days, but they're pretty crisp to the touch. I've harvested about 4 times now. Here's the box that I just harvested last night. Getting them ready to string up and hang. And now also the seed pods are beginning to turn and get ready to be picked. And the way that you can tell that they're ready to be pulled off the plant is that, of course, they're turning brown, but more significantly, the stem turns brown, as in this photo right here. If I can get it straight, you can see that it's right there, as opposed to this one here is brown, but the stem is still green. I have a hard time coming off because they're going to turn brown soon, all at the same time. Probably within the next day or two, I'm going to bag them. I'm going to place brown bags over them, and then I'll harvest them and hang them upside down. But meantime, I harvest the bottom leaves. And again, like I said, this is about the 4th or 5th harvest. I can't remember. I pick off the bigger leaves, and it gives the smaller leaves a chance to get bigger too. As you can see, these top leaves here that were small about 3 days ago, they were about this size. And in 3 days' time, that leaf grew really big. Here's another example how big they get. So again, I am just learning, but willing to share my techniques. Miigwech.